start off by chopping up a leek. Cut them along lengthwise and then we're gonna dice. You probably don't need the entire leek, but whatever, just chop them all up. Pop in a good few tablespoons of leek, a good shake of chili, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Have a bit of a taste test and realise that you probably need a little bit more soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and some garlic, and then mix it all together. Now that our sauce is all done, it's time to prepare our meat, which just involves chopping up a bunch of chicken thighs into bite-sized pizzas. So don't worry about the skin, you can leave that on, all's good. Add all of your beautiful chicken bitties into a bowl, add some sake, soy sauce, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger, and then just start mixing and squeezing lights. Add a couple of tablespoons of starch, shove that in, give it a mixity mix. And then in a separate bowl, add all of that starch in there and then start coating your marinated chicken. Make sure everyone is neatly covered and then into the oil it goes. 180 degrees Celsius and get them boys bubbling. Once they're beautifully golden browned and rise to the top, you can take them out and just let that excess oil drain off. Now it's time to plate up, so pop a whole bunch of your lovely little chicken boys all stacked up high onto a plate and then drizzle on your beautiful sauce. Sprinkle on some fresh leek and I hope you have a go at this Japanese twist on a Chinese recipe. So the secret to this dish is adding lots of starch. So make sure when you're coating them with starch, you're putting loads on. Absolutely coat them because that makes them even crunchier. But if you like what we do here, we do this practically every other day. So like, subscribe, maybe give us a little comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!